Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ananda Anastasia Agustiani with NPM number 2334010I1, majoring in Economic Development and Faculty of Economic and Business. In accordance with the assessment in the Communication Business Economics course, I will present my project. I took the title that had been approved by my lecturer, namely Mr. Fuad, and the title is 3 Food Commodities That Contribute to Inflation in November 2023. The thing behind this problem is inflation is a very interesting economic phenomenon to be discussed and one of the very monetary events important and often found in almost all countries in the world. Then, for the purpose is to fulfill the English Business Communication Project Assessment to analyze and find out solution to inflation problems. What is inflation? In brief, inflation is a tendency to increase the price of goods and services in general which continues continuously. Inflation causes a reduction in people wealth, real domestic interest rates become uncompetitive, and the financial system becomes unstable. Inflation occurs due to several factors, namely the first, cost-push inflation. This usually occurs when there is an increase in production price. The second is demand pull inflation, meaning the higher the demand, the higher the price of the good. Next, inflation expectation. This is caused by people expectation regarding the level of inflation in the future. And the last one is the amount of money in circulation. If money increases, then goods will also increase. I found news on the business.com website that was appropriate to my project and also served as the background for me creating this project. The content of the news are the price of purple chicken eggs in the second week of November 2023 has increased by 0.16%. Apart from that, Puji said the price of purple chicken meat in the third week of November 2023 saw an upward trend compared to the previous week. The price of salad in November 2023 increased by 8.04%. This is a warning for us all and has the potential to cause inflation in November 2023, said Puji at the Inflation Control Coordination Meeting Monday, 20 November 2023. Because I took the stall in my boarding house preferred eggs and salads, so I just tried to interview there. Mr. Dede Hidayat is the name of the stall keeper. After I was given permission to interview him, I asked him several questions. The essence of my conversation with Mr. Dede was to ask about the increase in the price of salads and eggs and also explain a little about inflation. From the data I have collected, I found a problem's formulation, namely, what is the solution to overcome inflation? The first is save government expenditures. The means that the government limits the budget for various inquiry purposes such as submitting comparative studies. The second is increased tax rate. An increase in tax rates will reduce and limit products level. Next, open market operation policy. Providing premiums or subsidies to companies can increase the number of goods and meet quota level. And then discussing policy. The main aim is to encourage people to save more, so the amount of money in circulation can decrease. And setting maximum price for several types of goods. This price setting can also control the level of inflation in the flow of money, but the government must set realistic price. Conclusion. Finally, with this research, it can be concluded that and increase the price of an item trigger inflation, which can have an impact on decreasing value of the countries. The solution in inflation can be overcome by means of open market operation policy. That's all my present. I apologize if there are any misunderstanding or wrong words. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.